Hey everyone, it's Kate. So I decided to do an experiment with fresh herbs versus dry herbs. I was reading that after about 45 minutes of cooking that the fresh herbs actually lose their punch. So I decided to put together a little experiment to test this out. So what we have here is on the left we have the fresh herbs, and on the right we have the dried herb. And so a lot of people always get confused about teaspoons and tablespoons. And so all you have to remember is that the tablespoon, which is TBSB, just think of the B as meaning big, and the TSP, the S just means small. So when you're using ratios, when you're trying to substitute dry herbs for fresh herbs or fresh herbs for dry herbs, the ratio is 1 tablespoon of fresh herbs equals 1 teaspoon of dried herbs. And there are actually 3 teaspoons in 1 tablespoon. So what I did was I decided that I was going to steep these herbs and then taste the liquid afterwards. So the 2 cups in the front are going to steep for 10 minutes, and then the 2 cups in the back are going to steep for an hour. And I want to see if after an hour the fresh herbs lose their punch, and for the front 2 cups I want to see if which flavor is better. Probably it's going to be the fresh herbs, so we're going to test that out after a little bit of time. And also some additional considerations here is I wanted to reduce any mug bias, so all the mugs are the same, and each cup received 1 cup of boiling water. So it's been 10 minutes, and I'm gonna go ahead and taste our first mug. The first mug has our fresh rosemary in it, and we're gonna see what it's like. Okay. Tastes like rosemary. It's not very strong. It's nice. We'll go ahead and try the dried rosemary. So, just as I thought, the fresh rosemary has a lot stronger flavor than the dried rosemary. So I'm gonna give the other 2 cups an hour, and I'm gonna see if there's any difference there.